Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set a password for Jotform PDF attachments. This is a fantastic security feature that ensures only the intended recipients can access the sensitive information in your form submissions. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to jotform.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your username and password to access your Jotform dashboard. This is where all your forms are stored and managed, so make sure you're signing into the correct account if you have multiple ones. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here you'll see all the forms you've created. Take a moment to locate the specific form you want to edit. Once you've found it, click on the Edit Form button. This will open up the form builder where you can make various modifications to your form's structure and settings. Now that you're in the form editor, direct your attention to the top of the page. You'll see several tabs available, and you want to click on Settings. This section houses all the configuration options for your form, from notifications to integrations. Once you're in Settings, look at the left panel and click on Emails. This is where you'll manage all email notifications related to your form submissions. Within the Emails section, you'll see different email types you can configure. Click on Autoresponder Email. This is the automated email that gets sent to users after they submit your form, and it's the perfect place to attach password-protected PDFs. After selecting Autoresponder Email, navigate to the Advanced tab at the top of the email settings. This tab contains more sophisticated options for customizing your email responses. In the Advanced tab, you'll find the option to attach PDF. Go ahead and enable this feature by toggling it on. This allows Jotform to automatically generate a PDF version of the form submission and attach it to the autoresponder email. Once you enable Attach PDF, a new option will appear called Enable PDF Password. This is exactly what we're looking for. Toggle on the Enable PDF Password option. You'll immediately see a password field appear below it. This is where you'll type in the password you want to use for protecting your PDF attachments. Choose a strong password that's secure but also something you can share with your recipients through a separate communication channel. Type your chosen password into the field carefully. Finally, once you've set your password, click the Save Email button to apply all your changes. Your autoresponder emails will now include password-protected PDF attachments, adding an extra layer of security to your form submissions. And there you have it, you've successfully configured password protection for your Jotform PDF attachments. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.